As a woman, I think I was a lot in my masculine energy in the past, and that was because of the different experiences I had in my childhood and later on in life, where, I wasn't really trusting of men. So I kind of had to take care of myself and protect myself so that my masculine energy became a bit more uh, prevalent or prominent, I would say, in my life. And for that reason, I was taking on a lot of like the masculine traits, like the overworking and the like really analytical thinking. I was so disconnected from my intuition and from resting and from, like all of these feminine energy traits. And actually, when I started the process of healing myself, and I started addressing some of those feminine energy wounds that I had, what changed for me was, first of all, that I became way more intuitive. I was able to connect more to my intuition and to my body. So before I had a lot of issues in terms of like body dysmorphia. I didn't like myself. I always thought that, oh, I need to lose weight. And, all of these things kind of went away because I started fully accepting myself and fully loving myself. So um, that was a big change. Another change was the fact that I was more able to go with the flow of life and not really overanalyze, overthink, be too much in my rational, analytical way of thinking, and I was more in my heart. So connecting to my emotions was another thing that kind of opened up for me and to my heart. And at this point, I really listen to my heart more than my brain because I know that the brain can be really fallible. And because it's so conditioned by, we are so conditioned by society and the external world. So, it's not always to be trusted. And also, another really big change for me was the fact that I started becoming more expressive. I started healing my throat chakra, and I was more able to speak my truth, to be authentic, and to not really feel any fear around uh, being myself.